Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More. And you guys are probably wondering what the heck I'm doing in the middle of a field. So I'm here with Oh Geez FPV, and I'm going to flip the camera around here so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Well, what basically happened here is in front of me, we've got a tree and his drone is caught up in the tree. So what I did was, let me go ahead and pause the video. So I've got the DJI Phantom here. So what we did was we hooked some fishing line up through the leg, and then it's actually, you can see his quad is actually over here up in this tree. So this is Oh Geez, this is the guy that rescued my quad the other day at the rock. So if you look right,
that's a lot easier than this.
right up there, you can see his quad is up there. Grain props to try and, there we go, you can kind of see it. So I took the Phantom up, and you probably can't see the fishing line, but we flipped the fishing line and hooked it to the Phantom, flew the Phantom up over the branch and got it caught on the branch. And so now what we're doing is we're putting a stick on the end. We're going to feed that stick up through, and hopefully, cross our fingers, we'll be able to get his drone back down. And of course, we have the evil tree, the nemesis of every quad owner. But yeah, there it is. You can kind of see it up there, that little black spot right there. So we're gonna give it a try and see what we can do. I'm recording.
Get this on the Darwin Award.
I know, right? There you go. You're like right there.
Yeah, but I just lost it.
Oh, yep. Oh, crap. All right, everybody. Well, we tried and we were unsuccessful, but it is supposed to rain and storm tomorrow. So hoping,
tried.
Yeah,
Thanks,
we
Mike.
tried.
Huge. This was huge. It didn't work, but really
Yeah.
appreciate it.
So we tried.